Welcome to English Word Haven. Football, volleyball, basketball, cricket ball, tennis ball, beach ball, rugby ball, American football, bowling ball, baseball, golf ball, hurling ball, wiffle ball, hockey ball, bandy ball, croquet ball, playground ball, medicine ball, water polo, bouncy ball, dodgeball, plastic ball, juggling ball, shade ball, futsal ball, pool ball, moon ball, handball, exercise ball, netball, table tennis ball, foam beach football, spiky ball, stress ball. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.